Hey everyone, so as you can see, I already have all the bow parts finished, and so I would like to just kind of put this bow together as an idea. And once I finish doing that, then I'll tell you where I have, where I get all this stuff from, where you can order it from. And so I guess this is more just like a bow along, I think is what it's called. And this one, of course, is a Thanksgiving themed type thing. And my dog is trying to squeeze her fat body down underneath my feet, so that's why the camera keeps shaking. Okay, so this is an over-the-top bow. Okay, so we'll go ahead and I'll show you the ribbon, and I'm going to put it together. And so that'll kind of give you an idea of if you order this ribbon or something similar, just something cute to do. Alright, so besides your glue gun and all that, you need a barrette and your scissors, lighter. I also have the little feathers, in the tool puff. And I want to say I maybe used this in one of the tutorials from last year, but this is the orange tool with the gold polka dot, and so I'll tell you where to get all of that. And I've got the Twisted Boutique bow. I've got the surrounded bow, and it's kind of hard to see the design in this one, but I'm going to show you the ribbon. And then my base bow, I have my spikes all ready to go. I have a couple of side bows, and then I've got the little cap. Very, very cute. It says just here for the pumpkin pie. Okay, so if you want to know how to do all these bow parts, I have videos on everything. So I thought this time I would just have it all ready and just kind of put it together, and then just kind of give you the information on the ribbon. Okay, so I'm not real organized with this ribbon, but you can see how cute it is. It's it has two themes in one. It's got the pumpkin pie theme, and then it's got this little Miss Gobble. Okay, and this is the one that we're doing, the Twisted Boutique. And this is another printed ribbon with the turkey heart theme on it. Okay. I also used this ribbon. It's just glitter pumpkins. Okay, but it is actually supposed to go, I think, more so with this little ribbon here. Looks like, sort of emoji. It says, "'Tis the season, pumpkin spice everything." Very cute, very glittery. Okay, this is another, I didn't use this one, but it's another turkey ribbon. And if you are going to order any of this, I'm going to tell you two places you can go. Better do it quick, because we have like 2 weeks until Thanksgiving. And then some of the filler ribbon. This is, one that I used. Here are a couple more. This one's my favorite. I love it. Okay. And I also use this brown and gold. Okay, so I'm just going to put the bow together, and then I'm going to tell you where to get all this lovely stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start with my base bow. Make sure you heat seal the ends or whatever. Okay. And there's just kind of a close-up of the spikes. sorry. I know some of you are disappointed that I didn't do the entire tutorial, but I've got a few more coming, so don't worry. I just feel like I kind of do these kind of videos all the time, so I just figured if you want to know how to do it, you can go to one of the other ones. And this is just an idea, another idea. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is take, this is 5/8. I just had this on a roll from somewhere. Alright, and then this is, I use the figure 8 method. And of course, as always, I stiffen it with the hairspray. And this is all 7/8 ribbon, with the exception of the gold, it's 5/8. Let's see, I'm just going to scoot it up a tad. Okay. Now I'm going to put my barrette on the back. I just love the fall and Thanksgiving bows. I just didn't have a whole lot of time this year. After Halloween, it seems like. I'm a little late in getting these videos up. Okay. Alright. I'm also going to use this orange 3/8 ribbon. To surround my center. And also, if you use thread to kind of keep everything together, you know, you can do that before you put this. I don't ever do that. I know some bow makers encourage that, but glue has been pretty good holding. I've never had one fall apart, let's put it that way. Okay, so lighter here, just kind of heat seal both ends. Oops. Alrighty. Put my tension bar back in. Okay, now at this point I'm going to get my headband holder. And by the way, remember I am selling the headband holders and the salon clips. If anyone is having trouble finding them or wants to purchase them, there's a post on the Facebook that gives the prices and whatnot. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. Very cute. This is an amazing tool. It helps out quite a bit. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the cap in. Just for depth. So I've got my E6000. And I just used a regular bottle cap, nothing fancy with the rhinestones, and then I just put the little brown bow at the top. And as always, I put a little E6000 in the middle, and then I put hot glue on either side. Okay, I think that'll work. Oh, I hate the way this E6000 runs everywhere. And I just need another little glue stick here. Now we just need to finish up our embellishments. So I've got the little side bows, and I chose the pumpkin ribbon for the top part, and then one of the fillers for the side, or the bottom part, the tails. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I'm not real good at placing these things where they should be, if that makes sense. And I'll probably have to trim up my tails. I think the idea behind it is to get it half on the bow and half on the surrounded bow. Half on the boutique bow, half on the surrounded bow. Okay, so give that a shot. I don't do a whole lot of side bows. I know it's hard to see. I'll show you in a second. Okay. Yeah, there we go. I'll have to trim up my tails. And just a look-see on the other side. Yeah. For some reason my bow doesn't want to stay on there. Keeps wanting to shift. Okay. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like my side bows to have kind of the you know, just that straight across look. And I'll probably have to trim them up. Give it a look-see, I don't know. Okay, and then so this is what it looks like so far. Very cute. Okay, I know it's hard to see in the camera. And then you can leave it like this, or you don't even have to add the side bows. Or let me fix it real quick. Alright, y'all bear with me a second. Okay. And then finally placing the tulle puff and the feathers, if that's something you want to do. All I did for the tulle puff, and like I said, I've got other tutorials, it comes on a roll, you know, like this, and then I get my bow dabber and just kind of you know, bunch it up in the bow dabber like this, and make a tulle puff. Or you can just do it by hand or sew it down the middle or whatever. Okay, so there's my tulle puff. And I like to place it in first just to kind of see what it looks like. So I'll put my feathers on this side. You can add flowers you know, if you have felties, anything like that. Okay. And so that's basically what it's going to look like. I'm going to glue these in and just kind of tidy up and straighten and make sure everything's heat sealed. But this is it. This is going to be the final look. And this is actually going to go to my cousin's little girl because she has a shirt that matches. Okay, so I hope that gives y'all some ideas for this ribbon, if you know, if you want to go over and get them. Now, where do I get this at? Well, there are actually two places. The Trendy Owl, she has I think all of these ribbons, or most all of these ribbons. Anyway, she's got the filler ribbons that you would need. This orange sparkly ribbon right here, the glitter ribbon, I got that at Hobby Lobby. You know, it's kind of a mixture, but she's got beautiful filler ribbons. And also, I featured a Facebook group in the last video, the Turkey Cheer Bow video, called the Ribbon Genie. And I want to say that that lady's first name is Sandra or something. Anyway, I may have that wrong, and I apologize if I do, but I have, I'll put the link below in the description for both the Facebook group and the Etsy website. And I've already, you know, featured ribbon from the Trendy Owl. And also, you can get the little images, bottle cap images, so it's kind of like a one-stop place, and that's what I like about it, is you can, you know, get everything without going to a bunch of different websites or whatever. So that's it. I hope that gave you kind of an idea. Very adorable. I love the fall colors. Alright, so on to the next one.